Okay, so yeah, we almost have everyone here, and a few of them has to join. I think we can start. Okay, so yes, guys. So let me give brief like about me. So myself. So everyone, can you hear me? Like, is that my voice is clear for you? I think yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine, good. And yes, the screen also visible, right? Properly. Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. So actually, yeah, today what we have is a demo session, okay? And obviously, for us, we have actual session, okay? So April session is going on. So May session, it will come soon. And today, guys, we are checking few of the things, okay? Very basic things, not we are going in deep, okay? So let me introduce myself. I'm Abdullah, and I'm a trainer here for you, like for upcoming sessions and all. And you can connect at any time. That is what I'm giving you the permission. And see, guys, I have almost 7 years of experience in this particular field, and you might have seen different videos, okay, different CGA videos in our page, okay, Gladsme page. So in that, all those videos I have worked. So whatever you see on those videos, same thing we are creating in our throughout sessions, and we are adding extra thing also, okay, different other things also we are checking. So in our course, as we mentioned, we have couple of tools, okay, couple of tools, different tools hai, okay, different tools हम check कर रहे हैं. So obviously in that the main tool is Blender, okay. So Blender is a free open source software. So you can download it for free, you can use it for free. So this is a 3D software. Blender 4.4 is the current version, and whatever I am using, that is 4.2. Some changes is there, but that is fine, that we can check it, okay. So after that, once after Blender, we have one more software to touch, that is After Effect, okay. We are using that one for tracking, compositing, rotoscoping, and some other work also. And we will use Photoshop only for texturing, not other than that, okay. So like this, we have three tools, and after that, obviously we are touching different Blender add-ons, okay. Different Blender add-ons we are touching. So in that, the you can see we have different add-ons, so that we will check. One more thing, like the main one is FSpy, that we will check, okay. So that also we are checking, and also we are using different other tools, okay. So at the end of this course, obviously I will show you what and all things that you can do, okay. By the end of this session, I will show you different project. So what and all we are doing, okay. So anyway, as a demo session, today I will show you few of the things which is very basic. You can check, you can ask any doubt also if you have, okay. So guys, I just opened my Blender here, okay. This is called as Blender. So Blender software. So mainly whatever CGI magics that we are doing, that will be done on this software, okay, this software. So we have other alternative software also. Maybe I don't know whether you heard about that one. Maya we have, okay, and Cinema 4D we have, okay. Like that, different softwares we have that we can use, but it is a paid thing and all, okay. You should pay for that, but here it is completely free. So let me start with something, okay. So I will show you few things, okay. Let me open that one for now, so you can see this particular work, okay. You can see how it is, okay. I think it is visible. Okay, so this particular thing that we work for our client. Okay, so same way we are checking different other projects also, okay, throughout the session. But everything like we are starting with the scratch. Okay, if you are beginner or little bit advanced, we are starting with scratch. We will check everything. Okay, everything. So you will get complete idea what is Blender. Okay, that you will get. So I just open the Blender. By seeing this Blender, most of them they will get scary. What is this? I don't know anything. But guys, I will make you very simple. See guys, whatever you are seeing this Blender, we have few section. I will show you. One is this one. Okay, you just count. I have one, this one, 2, 3, 4, done. Okay, and we have a top few that we no need to consider, but we mostly we will see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the basic one. Okay, what is this, sir? I don't know. This is called as viewport. Viewport means nothing else like whatever CGA work you are doing, no, CGA ads you are giving to client, right? So for 20,000 or 25,000 you are selling the CGA work, no, that all magic is going on here. Okay, in this area all the magic will happen. So what about this one? This is just a attendance book. Attendance book. What is attendance book? Attendance book means these are the children or students, they are coming into my school. So I have all the reference here. So in this reference I have all the names. That's all. So these are the attendance book, I can say, or this is a outliner. Okay, this is a outliner. So in outliner I have all the reference, and we have something here. So whenever I select any property, I am selecting camera, I am selecting cube, I am selecting light. So you can see based on that object the property is getting changed. Okay, so property here it is getting changed. So this is the behavior. Okay, so camera has its behavior or its property, it is showing here. Cube has its own behavior, its location, rotation, scale and all, and light has its own. So everything is listing here. So this is called as property panel. So this is a viewport, this is outliner, this is a property. Okay, and what about this one, sir? So everyone, I think most of you are worked in mobile editing and all, I don't know. So in mobile editing or any other software you will see this one. This is called as timeliner. Why we are using? Whenever you are doing any animations and all, right? So you will use this particular section. Okay, so we have different things here that we will check. Okay sir, that is fine. And I will show you one more simple thing you guys check. See, I have one particular option here, I have one more option here, I have one more here, one more here. Okay, basically guys you can check. I will click here. I have few datas or few, what is that, options: 3D viewport and image editor, outliner. If I click here, same thing, 3D viewport, image editor, outliner, everything is there. I will click here, 3D viewport, image editor, outliner. I will click here, same thing. Okay, it is same. Then why we kept like this? So this is basically whatever you are seeing, no? This is 3D viewport. If you want, you can change it to outliner. So your outliner came here. Okay, I can go to property, this property came here. If I want 3D viewport, again viewport came here. And what about this one, sir? Viewport, 3D viewport came here. If I want property came here, I can go to outliner. Same thing goes here. So basically whatever you are seeing, no, different option, these and all it is same, but it is selected other option. See here 3D viewport, here it is outliner, here it is property, here it is timeline. That's all. Okay, this is all. So in my entire Blender I have few options. Okay, fine. I think this is clear for everyone. There is no doubt. This is very simple. Okay, so guys, that is fine, sir. And you talk about what we have here. Okay, what we have here. So I will show you. Okay, what is this particular thing? These three things you can see. What is this? So whenever I select here, it is visible. Okay, this one is selected, camera. If I select this one, cube is selected. If I select light, light is selected. And guys, I will tell you one particular thing. This camera, no, this is very important in your work. Why? Because if you don't have, let me delete this one. I will delete it from my entire project. Then you cannot get any CGA output. Okay, you cannot get any output CGA output. Why? Because let me tell you, Control Z to take it back. Guys, you know real film, okay, actual film, like real heroes, actors and all there, no? So in that case, what we are doing, what director or cameraman is doing, so he will shoot with his camera, right? So what, as a user, what we are doing, we are going to cinema talkies, and we are watching the cinema. Okay, from where that cinema came? With one particular camera, right? One particular camera is must. Without camera you cannot get any cinema, right? Same way here in 3D, without any one particular camera you cannot get the output. So camera is must. Okay, without camera you cannot export the thing itself. Okay, clear? So this one you got, no? So you will see camera, you need this camera. So it is not necessary that you should keep now itself. No, you can delete. But at the end of your work, you should keep at least one camera. Clear? So this is very important. And one more thing. Okay, sir, camera I got it. So without camera I cannot shoot anything. Without camera I cannot get anything. Okay, see guys, whatever camera. So you will ask, okay sir, fine, camera I will keep. What is the use? How can I know like what it is shooting? So guys, what I am doing, see, here one option is there, toggle the camera view. I will hit this. Guys, can you see something here? So this particular view, no, this particular area, so this particular area you will get at the end. So you are doing the export, right? Or we are calling it as render. Okay, in 3D you will tell render. Okay, not export. So render you are doing, right? So when you are doing the render, you will get this area, not this output. Okay, it will change, the colors and all it will change, but whatever area covering, right, it will be there. Okay, whatever you are seeing through this camera, it will be there. Okay, I will hit camera again. This is the user perspective. User perspective means what, sir? User perspective means whenever you are working, okay, working at that time, you cannot, every time you cannot see through camera and you cannot work it. Okay, so you should change the angles and all. You should change the angles and all. That is when you are working. But the end of output, you will see this particular thing. Okay, this particular thing, this area. Okay, fine, clear? Okay, this is fine. And sir, that is fine, camera is okay. What about this light? Do we really need this light? I'm not telling light is needed. Okay, light is needed. Like if you want, you can delete the light also. Your project you can export, not an issue. Project you can export. But I am telling this light is needed if you want realistic feeling. Okay, so most of the time when I worked for client, okay, initially the client, they don't know anything about 3D, they don't know anything about CGI, but they will tell, okay boss, actually I am not getting that feeling. I don't know what feeling they are getting, but they are telling I'm not getting that feeling, or this is not realistic. Okay, they are giving the comment. Why? That realistic feeling, it will get only through this light. Okay, So lighting is very important. If you are doing any issue with this lighting, obviously client will tell, sir, your work is very boring. Okay, so these things, lighting, camera movement, rendering, and everything we will check on this particular course. Okay, we will check everything, especially lighting. Okay, if you make any mistake in lighting, your 3D entire CGI gone. So light is needed. Okay guys, light is needed. But here I have one light, sir. In normal cases, it will be like we have sunlight. Okay, so morning time and all we will see sunlight. Okay, at night sun won't be there. Okay, sun won't be there. At that time what we can do, we have different lights. Okay, don't worry about this one. You can see point light, sunlight, spotlight, area light. We have different lights. So we will work on this all the option. What is sun, what is spot, what is area, what is point in a sense like you have some what is that, whenever you are in your home, the power will go off, right? So power cut, at that time current will go. At that time you will turn on emergency light, so that we can consider it as a point light. Okay, so we have spotlight also. Spotlight means whenever you have that DJ programming and all, that light spotlight is coming, no, that is what area light is there. Then sunlight, obviously you know. Okay, so we will touch all these things in this particular course. Okay, fine, I got light also, I got camera also. Why we need this cube, sir? Okay, let me tell you. So this cube is not needed. Without cube also you will get output, you can export the things. But I am telling guys, you are in one world. There is no actor, there is no actress, there is nobody is there. Okay, and even world also not there. Okay, whatever you are seeing, the world is also not there. Then what you will show to your what is that, users? Nothing, right? So for that, at least we need something. That's why I just kept this cube. Okay, so whenever you are working in CGI, you will keep lot of things. Okay, you will do different models. Okay, you will keep, normally in client work and all, we used to keep banners, we used to keep mobiles, we will keep displays, we will create a world. Okay, entire world we will create, and sometime we will create different vehicles, everything we will do. So this is what, so basically this is a just a mesh. Okay, just a mesh. So using this mesh we will create different things. I can create entire what is that, home using this particular small cube. Using this only one cube I can create a home, I can create a mobile, I can create a computer, I can create anything. Okay, so I can do it. So those and all we are covering on this particular thing. Okay, fine sir, that is also I got it. 3 different things, layout also clear. And what about this one, sir? What is this? So obviously you know, if you are worked in Photoshop and all, here in sidebar you have toolbars, right? Tools, these are different tools. Okay, so if you go to garage, okay, if you go to workshop, so you will take your vehicle to workshop. If it is puncture, then you are keeping in workshop, what workshopper will do? He will take tools, right, to repair. Same way, whatever I have here cube, I will do operations using these tools. Okay, so you will ask, sir, only few tools I am seeing here, only this much we have. So in that question, I am just changing the mode. Okay, I am just, let me admit one guy. Okay, so I'm just changing what this mode. Okay, this I will explain. I'm just, see, I got other tools also. If I will change into another, you have different tools. So tools, for tools there is no issue. Like in Blender you have thousands of tools. Okay, so everything we will cover. So basically in our default means what? Whenever you open the Blender, you will see few things. Why? By seeing the tool only, if you close the Blender, That's why Blender guys kept only few tools. Okay, so you have few tools here. Let me do one thing. I selected my cube. Okay, let me do. Okay, what is this? I am just hovering here. Okay, just hovering means what? I am just keeping my mouse here. You can see it is showing select box, the name of it select box. So you got to know why we need this one to just select. Okay guys, this is I got. Now this one we will check in our actual class. Okay, what exactly cursor and all. Now if I try to explain this one, it will take 1.5 hours for this one. But let me go to move, you know. So let me select this one, this object. I can move it here and there. So this movement on I will explain. Okay, no worries, just to show what it is. So I am showing here move this one. And what about this one? This and all you already worked in After Effects if you worked. Okay, if you are not worked, I am explaining this one in our actual class, everything. These rotations, see guys, I will tell you one point, one particular point. See, these rotations is there, no? This is very toughest thing. Right now itself I am telling. This is very toughest. Because right now if I rotate like this, you will say, sir, nothing is there. What is there in this one? That is correct. Right now, nothing is there. When real videos are coming, no? Like you are shooting the video and you are adding the, models to your video. At that time, you will connect with me. In our April batch also, the students are connecting only to check this rotation. They are telling, sir, I am not understanding. Like rotation, it is quite difficult. In the initial class itself I told rotation you should understand properly. I will try my best to explain this rotation. Okay, because video, whatever you are shooting the video is there, no? That is 2D. 2D means what? You have x and y direction. But in our Blender you can see one green line, one red line, that is x and y. We have one more. Okay, we have one more. What is that? See this blue line, this is called z direction. We have 3 dimension. Now whatever video you have 2 dimension, you should match here with 3 dimension. That is difficult. That part is difficult. So I will explain everything. Okay, so I got okay, this rotation also you got it, but in detail we will check how exactly you should do. Okay, and we have something called as, what is that, scaling also. Okay, so this scaling also. So this scale, rotation and move, everything, it has its own what is that, application. Okay sir, you will get one more doubt. See sir, I told, what is that, using this cube I can make iPhone, I can make different vehicles, I can do anything. But whatever you do, nothing is changing. It is same, that cube itself. See, it has 8 faces. Nothing is changing. How you told that one? That is where our mode comes. Okay. See guys, I am just here in object mode. What I will do, I will just change it to edit mode. Edit mode. Okay. I changed it. Don't worry, this and all we will cover. Okay. Don't worry about this one. Now edit mode is there. Now what I will do, same move tool I have here. Okay, I have here. I will select one particular corner. See, changing the shape. Okay, changing the shape. Now you got to know. Okay, then it is possible because we can do lot on these tools. Okay, we can do lot on this tool. Fine. Okay, is there any doubt to anybody? Okay, fine. So guys, you got to know we have different mode also. So these and all, it is fine. Okay, so what about other things? What about other things means you will see the top things. Okay, top things, these and all, whatever I explained just about modeling. Okay, modeling means you will create mobile and you will create, what is that, other things and all. then we can see lot more other things here: animation, shading, texture painting, UV editing and all. What is this? So guys, what I will do, I will go to object mode itself. I will give you one scenario. See, you will create, what is that, vehicle. But for vehicle you should paint, right? You should paint. You should give the stickers, right? In your iPhone you should give the stickers, you should give the painting and all. Where those things will be done? So for that we have this texture paint, shading and all, okay? And even we will check what is UV editing. UV editing, everything we will check. So whenever you might have seen that banner reveal video, okay, that is a basic video you will see in all the YouTube channel, whoever doing this one. What is that, banner video, Blender video, they will show banner reveal. So in that banner reveal they are giving the banner input, right? Banner input means that actual banner. How they are doing? They are doing using this shading, okay? Shading means you cannot see anything here, okay? Let me just click this new. You got one input, right? This is just a sample. You will connect lot more, like different nodes here. So you will do different things here. So that and all we will cover. Let me show, for example, in order to change the color, I just changed it, okay? So same way we have different options that we will tweak and we will check how exactly it is working, okay? So this is just a sample. And what about animation? Animation, obviously you know, whenever something is moving, okay, your vehicle is moving, you should shoot that one, right? So at that time animation comes, okay? And what about rendering? Rendering is the final part. Final part means whenever you are taking the render, right, output, right, at that time this render it will come. And what about this compositing? Obviously before going to rendering you should do compositing. Different scenes will be there, that and all you should composite, okay? Scripting, geometric node, everything is there. So don't get scared about this one. We will teach everything on this particular course, okay? Fine, this is fine, sir. Can you show something on this really interesting? I will show on simple thing, okay? Simple thing. So maybe you will get confused, but don't worry, everything we are covering. So what I will do, let's take this particular thing, no? This is whatever you are seeing, okay? This one as one ground, okay? This is just a ground. Just to consider this is a ground, okay? And what I have, let me do add. I can see add here, okay? Mesh I have, a cube I have, okay? I took one cube. You can see that cube come here. Cube 001, cube, one more cube. This big cube is this one, and one more cube is here, okay? Don't worry about this one. Let me move this one I shown, right? Move, what it will do? It will take object up, correct, no? In order to move we are using this move, okay? I kept it here, okay? Fine, let me take little bit up, okay? So this is a, like we can consider it as a step, okay? Step, in step, okay? This is one step. This is a base ground. What I will do, I will add one more, this one, what is that, mesh, okay? Let me take UV sphere right now. UV sphere, again I can move, okay? I can move, okay? This navigation and all, don't worry, I am just turning like this and all. So we have different what is that, mouse buttons, okay? Right now what I am doing, middle mouse button I just clicked, so that's how I am just rotating it, okay? If you want to rotate in your viewport, then you can use this gizmo. See, I have this gizmo, no? I can click and I rotate anywhere. This is also possible, okay? Or else you can use middle mouse button also. I am just rotating this one. See, if you want to pan means what? Pan means, see, on that same axis I am going here and there, no? This is called as panning. So if you want to do, so how I did, shift and middle mouse button, shift and middle mouse button, it is panning, Okay, so if you want to do it in your what is that, mouse itself, I mean your viewport itself. Okay, okay, Anil Chaudhary, you can drop. Okay, so you can do this panning also. See, I just clicked hand, I'm not leaving that. See, panning is doing. Okay, so this is one more movement. And middle mouse button, this is rotating. Okay, this is rotating, this is what panning. And what else we have? Zoom. Zoom, you know, like how. So middle mouse button we have, no, that scroll. So scroll in, scroll out, scroll in, scroll out. This is navigation. Okay, basic navigation I already explained. Okay, so if you want, you can do it with this one. Click, you click, take it up, take it down, that also you can do. Okay, clear, fine. Okay, that is fine, sir. Let me show this one. So I have base, I have one step, I have one ball. Okay, see guys, simple thing. What I am doing, I will take this one. So we have one thing called as physics. What is physics? Physics, chemistry and all if we have, then I don't see, I won't come to Blender class itself, you will tell, no? Don't worry, we have only physics. Okay, chemistry and all we don't have. So physics we have. Physics means what? Physics means like in our, like long back, our Newton, you know, right? Isaac Newton, he found something. Apple is going down. Okay, whenever, like apple is not going up, whenever you throw, no, not throw, like apple is coming down. If it like I mean, what is that? That you know, right? Why should I explain? So that is called as gravitation. And he also explained some other Newton's law. So everything comes here. Okay, so let me show you that one. See guys, I'm just selecting one object. Okay, I just selected one object. See here, it shows physics. Physics, I will click this physics. Okay, I just clicked the physics, and you can see different things, that force field, soft body, collision, fluid, cloth, rigid body. Don't worry, we are checking all. Okay, so this cloth and all, you might have seen that banner reveal, right? Banner reveal nothing but this cloth. Okay, this cloth you are doing. In cloth you have 2 to 3 option. If you do that, you will get amazing banner. Okay, that I will show. So you can see, just I'm clicking cloth, it will go down. Don't worry, I will take my timeliner to 0 or 1. Okay, 1 I will take. So it came here. So you can see here, I have different cloth. Cotton, I have denim, leather, rubber, silk. These and all we will check. Okay, don't worry. Right now I'm not selecting anything. I just removed my cloth, not my cloth, this cloth. Okay, and I just selected this round ball. Okay, this is called as UV sphere. Okay, so what you have here, see, mesh, and you have UV sphere or icosphere also. We have different sphere, but I took UV sphere here. I am selecting this. I will select rigid body. Rigid body, don't worry. Okay, rigid body, this is one rigid body, strong body. And this one again rigid body, but this time this is not active, this I will keep passive. This one also rigid body, strong body, but this is passive again. Okay sir, what is the use? Let me take this one little bit up. Okay, see, little bit this side. Okay, I will hit space. Space means this, I mean, what is that, animation. I will click this animation, it is coming down. I didn't give any animation. How this is happening? So this is called as physics. Okay, so we will do different things on this one. Okay, in our real video we will add different effects using this. So let me take this one this side. Okay, see how nicely it is rolling. So it is going there and fall down, it gone somewhere else. Okay, so this is the physics. Now you will tell, okay sir, this is fine, but where it will useful, that will ask, no? So basically, let me, you just see, don't get scary. I will do something here. Okay, everything I will explain, but right now I will show you one small thing very quickly. You just see it, okay? What I will do, very quickly, just see it, don't do anything, okay? So I will take one big what is that, this is one more add-on, okay, called as fspy. So this one we will check in our real class. What is this fspy, we will explain properly, don't worry. So right now very quickly I will adjust this one. See, it is very faster, okay? So I will do like this and all I will explain, don't worry. So I will give some scaling, measures and all. So these measure what exactly it is, this and all we will check, and I will add here also, okay? Here I just kept it like this, okay? And what I can do, minus y I will do, don't worry about this one, I'm just adding like this, okay? And I will save my project, okay? Let me save it very quickly, don't worry, okay? This and all we will, because why I'm telling don't worry, by seeing this one you may feel like this is very difficult. This is very easy, everyone can easily learn this one, that's why, okay? In my experience I'm telling. So don't get panic by seeing this one, okay? Just close this, I will go to new project, okay? Don't save this one, and I'm deleting this one. File, import fspy may, what I am doing, I am selecting my fspy here, it came, okay? Very quick. I will add one cube, mesh cube I added like this. And what I will do, let me do edit mode में जाके I will select top face, this face I will select, okay? Don't worry about this one, I will explain everything, okay? And grab it on that direction like this, okay? And this is done, okay? And guys, see, my base model is done. I'm not doing proper thing, but just in order to show you. So I added my base mesh, and I will change few things here, okay? Cycles and all, and one more thing, GPU compute, and fill में जाके transparent I will do. Don't worry, these and all we will check. These are very constant things, okay? Constant things. So we will check everything, and I will add one background also, background HDRI, open, I'll add one, and I have HDRIs, I'll take this one, and guys I will take this one, I will go to visibility, shadow catcher, save this, otherwise my Blender will shut down. So I will give one name, how fast it is. So same way you can do also, okay? So I will go to my render, you can see now nothing is there, my what is that, this building is showing as it is, okay? Now what I will do, I will come to solid viewport shading, same way I did, no, I will show you. See, I just selected this one, going to physics, rigid body selected, shift A, mesh may, you take UV sphere again. So let me do little bit smaller, grab it over Z direction, I will keep like this, okay? I will keep like this, somewhere like this, okay? Let me check here how it is. So grab it over here, or grab it over here, okay? Somewhere here, and I will keep like this, okay? Here, and grab it like this, okay? Like this I will keep, and little bit upside like this, okay? And this is one more rigid body, this is a active, this is a passive, okay? This is a passive. And see guys, I will go to my render viewport shading, save this, okay? Save this. See, actually what I will do, I will hit this, so it is not coming down, see, it is coming down, right, like this. So in real scenario you will see something is falling from here, okay? Let me give some material for this very quickly, don't worry. So I am giving some material, let me give some material to my this round ball, So you can see, yes, it is done. So I added something very quickly. Okay, so something is falling here. This is like 5 minutes job, 5 minutes job. So this is a sample I just created. See, something is falling. That's how we are feeling, right? If I take same thing, grab over x-axis near like this. Okay, see, let me add one small light also. I told without light everything is waste, because it won't be realistic. Okay, realistic. Now I have my sun here. Let me rotate a little bit on x-axis like this. Okay, you will see some shadow. Okay, let me do one thing. Give me a moment, don't worry. It is a 5 minutes job I am doing. So let me take this one. I will try to get my real world here. Okay, shift A, sun I added, grab it over Z direction, and okay, let me try to take it down. Okay, like this. So what I will do, rotate it over x-axis. See, like this I will do. Okay, like this I will do. And if you go to render view, see, the shadow is overlapping on my building. Okay, if I want realistic, again I will go to sun. I will tweak something here. Okay, I will make it as somewhere 6. Okay, see, this is how it is. I don't know basics, don't worry. This is just I explained. Within 10 minutes you can give some physics and realistic feeling to your work. Okay, this is how it is. So everything we will cover on this particular session. That is what I am explaining you. So just a sample I have given, and right now I am not confusing again. Let me show you few works what we done. Okay, so those and all we will do in our real works, I mean real cases. So let me go through that. So for example, this one I will take. So okay, you can see this is one more work. This is a good work actually. I don't know whether you can hear or not. How realistic it is. See that shadows and all. So client will get these shadows. See, these are called CGA things. Okay, he's trying to draw the things. See, there also you will get the shadows. Okay, and we have other things. So this is just a sample I have given. We have other works also, different works we have. So same way, these and all what we are doing in our I mean a master CGA course. Okay, right now our students are doing everything. So you can see such things. So these are sample I will give you, I mean all the links if you want it. So if you want it you can ask. So we have different I mean works that we done. Okay, so actually even clients also asking different videos, but actually we don't have time, that's why we are like skipping few of the things. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this session. Okay, we are covering a lot. Okay, this is just a sample we have given, but we have lot to cover. Obviously we are covering everything, okay, in our real section. And yeah, I think everyone understood whatever we explained till now. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. So do you guys have any doubt? I think no, but I think you really enjoy the session. Okay, so if you really enjoy the session, obviously we can see in our real classes. Okay, so by saying that, we are good, and we'll see in our master CGI class. Thank you so much.